to Logout Outlook account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So let's get started. First, open your Outlook app, or if you are doing it with your web, open a preferred browser and search for Outlook. Then tap on this profile, tap on settings, tap on accounts, tap on your account, then tap on remove account. Then tap on remove from this device and then confirm remove. And done. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any queries, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.